Here are a couple of really quick NetSuite Next updates. And I'm not certain about what I can show, so I'm going to use public information to kind of tell a story or two about what I'm hearing that's out there. So one of the things that you can see is that you'll be able to go into the interface into the upper corner and flip. The web page will refresh and you'll be in the NetSuite Next interface. So you'll go from the existing interface to NetSuite Next. The other piece is they show a lot in the demo of chatting with it, right? And it is impressive, the chatting. And we are chatting today through MCP, and which is amazing. There'll be greater context, is what they're saying, when you're chatting within the program because it has all this context around it. It looks kind of confined in that box there. You can open it up in a panel and it displays more like a Claude artifact on the side, and you can, have a running conversation with it in a side panel. When the menu disappears at the top up there, people are used to seeing that menu. You can click in the corner and you can get a box that appears with all of the menu items that you see today, but it's just a click down in that bottom corner. They don't show here is that you can type in a sales order, a customer number, and then it takes you like you search today. So the search that you do today can happen inside that Ask Oracle interface. You can ask it a help question, how do I do a journal entry? And there's a vector database of all of the help, which is amazing. So it's more conversational. So that Ask Oracle area takes you back to a number of different locations dynamically on the fly. Documents that are in the document storage area currently, I think in the summer timeframe, may not be part of the Ask Oracle index. As we go forward in time, I'm being told things that are in the file cabinet are going to be included. In the closing, month-end close area, that is where they are going to put in more and more automation. Today, it's like checkboxes, and that is where the continuous close feature that is such all the rage right now is going to land inside that window. The other part that I do want to mention is impressions from early implementers who are implementing it for customers. One of the things they said is that customers generally have a real strong love for a particular report. And what they're trying to get the customers to do is to say, well, what is it in the report that you're asking? And you can just ask the chatbot in the bottom that question as opposed to going through multiple pages of the report. So it is somewhat of a change in mindset that customers are having to kind of do, but I think it's worthwhile. And I think there's some growth there. So these are early looks at not only the features of NetSuite Next, but implementation notes that are starting to come back. I think it's super exciting. I can't wait for it to be here. As soon as I have stuff that I can share without getting into trouble, I will do it. Have a great day.